Hello, everyone. This is Cassie. Today is 61 day of my English diary. Welcome to my channel. Today is very hot. Yeah, you can see I'm just sweating now. And I just feel a little tired. And it's now 11:15 now. And I just don't have a very specific topic, and so maybe I will just make a free talk with myself. And today I just arrived home very late, and because I forget to take the COVID-19 testing in the daytime. So if I didn't took this testing, maybe tomorrow I can't took the subway and can't enter our working building. Yeah, so it is the rule in Beijing that we have to take the COVID-19 testing each 3 days. So I don't know if your cities also have these rules. Yeah, but Beijing is just taking this regulation. Yeah, so I just find a testing organization, yeah, and did this testing when I finished my work, and the center, the testing center is quite far from my home, so I arrived home quite late. So when I arrived home, I just felt so tired, and I watched a movie, which is an old movie, yeah, with my husband, and this movie is made in Hong Kong. Yeah, and these days I just feel that life is kind of boring. Yeah, just every day we went to work and take the subway, and I found everybody in the compartment are just reading, just watching their mobile phone, playing with their mobile phone. And I found the majority of us are becoming eager for quick success and instant profit. Yeah, it means that our society has becoming the impetuous society. Yeah, we just and the mobile phone just occupied many, and our attention just be occupied by our mobile phone. Yeah, and we just can't stop to watch a movie after watch the video after video, and we even can't sit down silently and reading a book, and we even can't think some problem very deeply. Yeah, so I just think the society has been so impetuous. And today, when I in the compartment of the subway, the subway is the compartment is so crowded. I don't know if you know how crowded the subway in Beijing. Maybe next time I will share with you the picture. Yeah, it's really crowded. But everyone just stand in the compartment, and almost everyone just playing with their mobile phone. Yeah, I just be shocked by this scene. Yeah, I found most of our attention just be occupied by the mobile phone. Yeah, and it's very difficult for us to avoid using the mobile phone. So I think this is becoming a big problem for us. Yeah, so I think maybe we should pay more attention to this problem and try to avoid spending too much time in our mobile phone, right? I don't know if you will think this is a problem, but for me, I think it's really a problem. Yeah, because I found I just spend too much time on my mobile phone. And so these days when I work in my office, I just put my mobile phone far away from me, so that I just it will be more difficult for me to take out the mobile phone. So I will spend less time in the mobile phone, and I just delete some app in my mobile phone. I think all these are some useful ways for me to solve this problem. Yeah, and I think most of us are just being so anxious. Yeah, I think it's now the time for us to live more slowly and just become more quietly. Yeah, we should spend more time to reading a book, or just complain with our parents, or make a video call to your parents and share with them some new information about yourself, right? And I think this is the very valuable thing. Yeah, I think it's more valuable just than playing with the mobile phone. And I think we should focus on what is the most important thing in our life, because life is really short for everyone. We don't know whether I don't know how to say that, whether the emergency will come out in our life. Yeah, I just found I'm just talking freely. Yeah, because I found I'm really tired, and I can't speak with it very logically, so I just talk with my freely. I think I should talk something, and today this is all of my video. I just say something freely, and I hope I will spend next time in my mobile phone and